FitLab PGH back with movement tips and lifestyle hacks. In the background, you can see the observatory at the top of Mount Mingo, recovering before I do the trip down. And we've done movement tips and lifestyle hacks for our podcast for over the last 2 years. Check out our YouTube channel for a backlog of all of them in case you missed any. And we've never really defined a hack. I know some people look at hacks as being a negative thing. They look at hacks as being a shortcut. Our definition of hacks is something that makes you more likely to do something that's a healthy habit, all surrounding movement and making movement a lifestyle, not just an activity. So for the entire month of September, we're going to do our movement tip lifestyle hack videos. We're going to offer you hacks every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We treat movement as a lifestyle at FitLab PGH, and we hope our hacks are going to help you continue to treat movement as a lifestyle or make movement a lifestyle. Check out our podcasts and our FitLab Pittsburgh features, 4-legged and 2-legged movers.